You know what, Paulo Cruzada, here's the one thing I could say. Remember, you should never harass Teacher May. Teacher May is also an anti-Marcos. Why did you still harassing Teacher May? If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, me, I'm not making record in TikTok Live. I'm making a TikTok Live with video call with Jerick Silva. Because TikTok Live is just like Zoom meeting. It's just like when I invited Jerick Silva, we discussed what really happened, the experience of bullying when he was in elementary, even in the high school, or even in the special education class. There are lots of normal who were also bullies. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, don't make yourself a bully. You don't know how to empathize with Teacher May. I now know that Paulo Cruzada, he is really un unmanipulative, because I tell the story what you did to Wawel Romero. Just like I said, and I talked to Jerick Silva, yang si Paulo Cruzada, ginawa yan kay Wawel Romero, o even to even to Mina Suchoy. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Mina Suchoy is a Miss Earth 2022. Even Drita Ziri is a Miss Earth 2023. They didn't really know you. They didn't know you. They do not know you. That's why I said before, hindi ka niya kilala. Oh, that's that's what I expected at. You know, for this idiot Marcos loyalist and Paulo Cruzada, do not create any such of trolls. You're trolling everyone. You know, your mother had already scolded you, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, that your mother had reprimanded you. Oh, this is what you like to bully in social media, Paulo Cruzada, and harassing the CDIFI teachers and staff. Teacher Evelyn is really a senior citizen. She's older than Nanay Ningning. Oh, don't even you harass Teacher Evelyn. I know Teacher Evelyn Kaha is older than Nanay Ningning. She is already retired. I asked my parents, when my mom says to me, sino ba ang principal sa CDIFI? And I was telling. And of course, it's Teacher Julie. Teacher Julie is the new principal of the CDIFI. She was a substitute of Teacher Evelyn. But Teacher Julie, she doesn't retired. She's doing working as a principal. But Teacher Evelyn is already retired in CDIFI. She is retired. She's in retirement. I heard there's a rumor that Teacher Evelyn is going to be retired. I share it to David Gill. She is already retired. Have you ever known, Paulo Cruzada, that Teacher Evelyn is an anti-Marcos if she's a pro-Duterte? Teacher Evelyn is a pro-Duterte. She is anti-Marcos. As you realize that Teacher Evelyn, she experienced martial law of Marcos Sr. You know, when she was in the college, in the time in high school, Teacher Evelyn was in high school too. before she was in college in Philippine Normal University. She realized in martial law of Marcos Sr., hundreds of Filipinos were being oppressed, who were beaten by Ferdinand Marcos Sr. And the Jabida massacre, what really happened, Teacher Evelyn is a witness when she read in the newspaper. There is no social media yet. There is no smartphone yet, or even laptops or technology. In 1972, in the years, Teacher Evelyn is a witness. When she read the newspaper in Jabida massacre, hundreds of Filipino Muslims who were Shia and Sunnis who were killed by Ferdinand Marcos Sr. to invade Malaysia, who were them are Filipino Muslims. And even the time of assassination of Ninoy Aquino, Ronald Galman forced by Ferdinand Marcos Sr. to assassinate Ninoy. What really happened? He was assassinated. Is this what you like, Paulo Cruzada, being yourself a Marcos loyalist? You want yourself to become a bully? You are being an abnormal. You're not really autism. Do not, per Shania Kiana, do not trust Paulo Cruzada's mom. If he's, if he's a special child, do not excuse it. Me and Jerick Silva, we are angry at Paulo Cruzada for what he has done. As you're watching this, Shania Kiana, Teacher May has already blotter Paulo Cruzada in barangay. Teacher May had talk what is the situation about Paulo Cruzada. She already knows. Teacher May had talks with 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 the others, and Teacher May had talked to um 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 Teacher May had already talked with 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 Paulo Cruzada's parents. You need to discipline your son. He has no right to discipline. As you know, Teacher May had already read the sexual harassment and sexual abuse by Paulo Cruzada, even the bomb threats, even promoting terrorism. She read it. As Teacher May read it, Rafael had shocked. Rafael Tiburcio, that was the nephew of Teacher May, had told Paulo Cruzada's parents. She read it. Oh, Teacher May's nephew asked, why does Paulo Cruzada is still harassing everyone? And Teacher May had told to Teacher Marisa, and she realized as of now, she read it also too. Even Teacher Riza, even everyone who read it too, even Kuya Joel, who's a janitor at CDIFI, they read it too. Even even Teacher Gio Malana, who was in the US, had read the screenshot from Paulo Cruzada. He read it. Now you see, Paulo Cruzada, you are being reprimanded by your parents. Teacher May already knows. Ronald Rebena already knows too. Alam na alam nila yan. Like, what you realize, what you really have done. You know, you will pay for your consequence. That is your consequence, Paulo Cruzada. and you need to stop harassing Teacher May. Just leave her alone. Just stop harassing Teacher May. Teacher May is already retired, Paulo Cruzada. How old was Teacher May? 53. Sir Paulo Cuwa had told me that we share our rumors that Teacher May is going to retire from CDIFI. She's also in early retirement. She's 53. Why did you harass a 53 years old Teacher May? Paulo Cruzada, explain to me. Oh, Teacher May is older than Ate Mirasol. She's 53. What if you try to harass Paulo Siaco? Oh, I want to explain to you, Paulo Cruzada. If, if Paulo Siaco, he doesn't know you, hindi ka kilala. Oh, he doesn't really know you. Me, I didn't know who's Paulo Cruzada. And only I know Paulo Cruzada when Shania Kiana told me you met him in CDIFI. Of course, he is my former schoolmate. But right now, he doesn't really know who I am. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to pay for your consequence.